Apples, a delicious deep dive. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the amazing world of apples, one of the most popular and delicious fruits on the planet. From sweet to tart, raw to baked, and even some surprising health benefits, we're covering it all. Stick around, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more tasty content. Did you know there are over 7,500 apple varieties worldwide? Let's check out some of the most popular ones. Granny Smith, tart, crisp, perfect for pies. Fuji, super sweet, great for snacking. Honeycrisp, juicy, balanced, the crowd favorite. Red Delicious, mild, classic, but sometimes mealy. Flavor-wise, apples range from super sweet to mouth-puckering tart. Fuji, like candy. Granny Smith, sour kick. And Honeycrisp, the perfect balance. Apple season peaks in fall, but thanks to cold storage, we get them year-round. Early varieties ripen in August, while late ones last till winter. Apples are a nutritional powerhouse. One medium apple has fiber for digestion, vitamin C for immunity, and antioxidants that fight inflammation. And don't peel it, most nutrients are in the skin. An apple a day might actually keep the doctor away. Studies suggest apples help with heart health, digestion, and even brain function thanks to their antioxidants. Raw apples equals crunchy, fresh, portable. But cooked apples? Next level delicious, think pies, crisps, and applesauce, which is just apples magic. Apples are the ultimate versatile fruit, eat them solo, with peanut butter, in salads, or as dessert. How do you like yours? Comment below. Apples are safe for most, but watch for pesticides, wash well, and rare allergies. Too much fiber at once might upset your stomach. Fun fact, apples float because they're 25% air. And Johnny Appleseed? He planted cider apples, not eating ones. Also, an apple a day was a marketing slogan. So, what's your favorite apple variety or recipe? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button, subscribe, and check out my other food deep dives. See you next time, keep crunching.